ProwritingAid AI Tool Review Usage Experience. In this video, we'll dive into an in-depth review of the ProwritingAid AI tool. If you're looking for a powerful writing assistant to improve your content, you can find the links to the product in the description below. Now, let's get straight to the features and my experience using ProwritingAid. This tool is designed for writers of all levels. Whether you're a seasoned author, a content creator, or a student, ProwritingAid aims to enhance the clarity, style, and grammar of your writing. One of its standout features is its AI-powered grammar and spell-checking capabilities, which go beyond the basics of simple corrections. It provides suggestions on sentence structure, style improvements, and even checks for overused words. It also has a built-in thesaurus, which is a huge time saver when you're looking for the perfect word. Another impressive aspect is its detailed reports. After running your text through the tool, ProwritingAid provides an extensive analysis that includes readability scores, suggestions on passive voice, repeated phrases, and more. This helps you identify patterns in your writing that you might otherwise miss. The style suggestions are particularly useful for improving your tone, ensuring it aligns with your target audience, whether you're writing informally or aiming for a professional tone. One thing I appreciate is the app's integration with other platforms. Whether you're working in Google Docs, Microsoft Word, or even on your browser, ProwritingAid works seamlessly. It also has a desktop app for when you need full control over your writing process. The only downside I noticed is that the free version is quite limited, and you need the premium version for full access to the AI-powered features. However, for writers serious about refining their craft, the investment is worth it. Overall, ProwritingAid is a comprehensive and effective tool for anyone looking to improve their writing. Whether you're writing a blog post, academic paper, or even a novel, ProwritingAid can help you elevate your work.